Hey guys, happy holidays from Scott Barnes. Guess what? I'm here and I have my limited edition music box. That's right, it's a holiday music box that plays music and has 50 shades of eyeshadow. And of course I doubled down with a secret drawer with highlighters, blushes, contour, and bronzers. It's the perfect gift for anybody in your life that loves makeup. Whether you like makeup, you guys are gonna love this. I sketched this myself. Everything's named after ballet moves or parts of the ballet. It's a celebration of the arts. Unfortunately, last year we couldn't go to the symphony, we couldn't go to the ballet, we could not go anywhere. So I brought the ballet to you. You guys are gonna love this. It's a great gift for anybody in your life. And it's a great collector's item. When this is gone, it's gone. This is a limited edition. You guys are gonna love it. So happy holidays from me, and God bless, and Merry Christmas to all of you.
Available only at scottbarnes.com.